Today I'd like to introduce Jayne Latz with Corporate Speech Solutions. Jayne Latz has worked as a speech-language pathologist, an educator, a coach, and a trainer for over 25 years, and is the author of Communicate Up the Corporate Ladder, How to Succeed in Business with Clarity and Confidence. She's a current member of the National Speakers Association and on the board of the New York City chapter. She's also past president and current member of the Corporate Speech Pathology Network, as well as a member of the American Speech Language Hearing
Your
Association.
voice is the key to your success. There's research that says that how we say something matters twice as much as what you are actually saying. Your pitch, your tone, your overall delivery of the message